Hello, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and I thought I'd just record a quick video of the issue happening and then also the solution for it that I had found. You don't need to purchase a new tank or a new sensor just because they are technically working, but sometimes they just act up. So as you can see right now, machine's on. We have enough water in there, but the light's not on, and that's because I was pouring water through the top. And as you can see, when I start to pour water into the tank, nothing's turning on, because that little magnet at the left side got stuck. And all the solution is just move the tank. Now you can see we're back on. But sometimes this tank gets into the wrong place and it's not sensing on the magnet. As you can see, sometimes it just doesn't want to flash. You really see it when you start pouring water into the tank. Sometimes the red light will just start turning on, turning off. But yeah, so that's pretty much the solution that I found with the machine. Again, you don't have to buy a new tank or a new sensor, but if you do want it to be less sensitive than it is now, that would be the way to go. And yeah, so that's all you would need to do. You would just have to go back here, move the tank a little bit until it's back into place, and then yeah, you're fine after that.